In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Ottocast Android Auto CarPlay Wireless Adapter and giving you a sneak peek of how it works. Let's take a look. But first, what is the Ottocast Android Auto CarPlay Wireless Adapter? The Ottocast Android Auto CarPlay Wireless Adapter is designed to provide a wireless connection in your car, allowing you to access all your favorite apps, such as navigation, maps, media, and text messages on your car display with ease. No more tangled or complicated charging cables. Let's take a look at the performance of this amazing product. As I can see, the Ottocast Android Auto CarPlay Wireless Adapter is powered by a dual-core ARM Cortex-A7 processor and boasts a dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz 5GHz connection, which is near 2x faster than the previous standard, and Bluetooth 5.0. This means that you can enjoy seamless and fast connectivity in your car. Additionally, the Ottocast Wireless CarPlay Adapter is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can use both systems simultaneously with this adapter. Also, using this adapter is very simple, with no installation required. Simply connect it to your car using the USB cable that comes with it and pair it with your smartphone via Bluetooth. So let's go to the car and see how to connect and how it works. To connect the adapter, make sure that Wireless Android Auto is enabled in the Android Auto app settings. Then, pair your smartphone with your vehicle's Bluetooth. Next, plug the Ottocast adapter into your vehicle's Android Auto-enabled USB port. Then you need to pair your smartphone with the adapter's Bluetooth. To do this, go to the Bluetooth option on your smartphone, find the Ottocast adapter in our case named as Otto4DA9, and tap on it to pair it with your device. Once the Wi-Fi adapter is connected, a window will appear on the display of the vehicle where it will inform us that our vehicle is connected to the Android Auto app. Here we just have to press continue a few times, and that's it, the Android Auto app will start after a few seconds. Now you will have access to all your favorite apps and, of course, Google Maps. Let's do a short check on Google Maps and then let's check the other
Head
apps.
northwest on Frommenstrasse toward Waltramstrasse.
Let's look at the other applications. Here are most of the applications that you already have installed on your phone, and thanks to Android Auto and Ottocast Wireless Adapter, we can use them in our car. For example, to listen to your favorite music through YouTube Music. Read or send messages via Facebook Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, make calls, and many other things. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.